if you've been researching offshore company formation, you've undoubtedly seen Hong Kong mentioned repeatedly, right alongside the UAE, British Virgin Islands, Singapore, and Cayman Islands. But what makes Hong Kong such a compelling choice for offshore incorporation, beyond just the obvious tax advantages? Hello, I'm Bertrand, the founder of Statrys, and in this video, I'll cover the 5 key advantages and considerations you need to understand before deciding if setting up an offshore company in Hong Kong is the right choice for you. Let's get started. Let's be clear about what we're discussing here. An offshore company is a business entity incorporating in one jurisdiction, but conducting its primary operation and generating profits in other countries. A Hong Kong offshore company is specifically a private limited company incorporated under Hong Kong law that operates entirely outside Hong Kong border. This means your business activities, clients, suppliers, and management operation are all located outside of Hong Kong. The key advantage of a Hong Kong offshore company lies in its territorial tax system. Under this system, foreign sourced income may qualify for 0% corporate tax. And yes, this is completely legal. This structure is particularly suitable for international businesses, e-commerce operation, consulting services, and trading companies that serve global markets while requiring a corporate structure in a reputable jurisdiction. Now, you may be thinking, plenty of offshore jurisdiction offer tax benefits, so what else makes Hong Kong so attractive? I'll walk you through 5 key reasons why you should consider Hong Kong for your offshore company. Number 1, something I already mentioned, the territorial tax system and offshore tax exemption. Hong Kong operates a territorial tax system. If your business generates profit entirely from outside Hong Kong, you may qualify for 0% corporate tax. In contrast, Hong Kong sourced profit is taxed at 8.25% on the first 2 million Hong Kong dollars and then 16.5% on the amounts above that threshold. Tax rates that remain highly competitive globally, even if you were to, pay tax in Hong Kong. Second, 100% foreign ownership. Unlike in some jurisdictions that mandate local directors or shareholders, Hong Kong lets foreigners own 100% of their offshore companies. You can retain full control without appointing local directors, having a local partner, or relying on some, shady nominee structures. Third, access to banking. This is where Hong Kong really stands out from other offshore centers. Many offshore jurisdictions now face growing banking challenges as financial institutions reduce services to these locations they consider high risk. Hong Kong offshore companies can easily set up business accounts that integrate with payment platforms including Stripe and PayPal and e-commerce solutions like Shopify. On top of that, multi-currency business accounts are standards in Hong Kong, allowing you to hold and manage funds in various currencies, a feature unavailable in many offshore jurisdictions. Number 4, fast and affordable setup. The incorporation process in Hong Kong is streamlined and cost-effective. Standard incorporation takes 3 to 5 business days, requiring only a passport and proof of address. No minimum capital requirements apply, and the total setup cost is approximately $1,000, covering all legal and regulatory filings. Importantly, the entire process can be completed remotely without requiring travel to Hong Kong. Number 5, credibility and international recognition. Hong Kong operates as a Tier 1 financial jurisdiction with robust regulatory frameworks. Companies must maintain proper accounting records, comply with annual audit requirements, and file statutory returns. This regulatory environment provides credibility with banks, business partners, and investors globally. At Statrys, we've helped incorporate thousands of Hong Kong companies for clients worldwide. Based on this experience, I want to provide you with complete transparencies about some crucial requirements. Number 1, offshore tax exemption is not automatic. Even if your income is foreign source, you are still required to file annual corporate tax returns and submit a formal offshore claim to the Inland Revenue Department (IRD) to obtain a tax exemption. So, potentially be prepared for audits and inquiries from the IRD. Still, it's not a big issue if everything is set up correctly. But here's a key point. If you carry out business activities while physically in Hong Kong, for example, signing contracts or meeting clients in Hong Kong, and then the IRD may classify your profit as Hong Kong source and then fully taxable. Second, documentation and record keeping requirements. Tax exemption does not eliminate compliance obligations. You must maintain comprehensive records, including audited financial statements, detailed bookkeeping, account statements, invoices and contracts, all of that. Why? Because the IRD used this documentation to verify that your income is genuinely foreign source. Finally, banking consideration. While Hong Kong offers a strong banking infrastructure, opening a traditional bank account typically requires substantial documentation and in-person visit to a branch. Traditional banks typically require business plans, financial projections, and comprehensive due diligence. This is where Statrys helps. As a licensed Hong Kong Fintech, we help entrepreneurs and global businesses not only incorporate their offshore Hong Kong company, but also set up their Hong Kong business account. So you can start managing your business operations without ever setting foot in Hong Kong. If you're considering offshore incorporation and need tax efficiency, smooth operations in a reputable jurisdiction, and a reliable business account for global payments, Hong Kong definitely deserves a spot on your shortlist. And at Statrys, we offer a full suite of services to help you run your business in Hong Kong, from offshore company formation and business account setup to ongoing compliance support. Our process is fully online, 100%, backed by dedicated account managers and personalized customer service. To begin your Hong Kong company incorporation, very simple, visit statrys.com and click Get Started. If you have any question or need additional support, you can contact us through live chat on our website, WhatsApp, or email at support@statrys.com. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye. See you next time.